Welcome to IELTS interviews. Please show your identification document. Okay. So, as part of the IELTS procedure, this interview is going to be recorded. Are you comfortable?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then let's start. Please briefly introduce yourself.
My name is Muhammad Riyab, and I belong to Bhutan. We know the city of saints and land of mangoes. And I have done my bachelor from NFC Institute of Engineering and Technology in 2022. My father is government servant for last 25 years, served as a SST teacher. And then after I graduate from institute like engineering for 2022, I offer an internship from government of Pakistan like CM Punjab. I have involved in the internship, 6 month internship. After that, I offer a job in DH Multan as a civil engineer. I involved 2022 from to 2025, and then I decide to pursue my master in Germany. Then I decide to choose a CLC as an institute to preparation for IELTS test to achieve my required goal bands like 6 and 6.5. Then my favorite hobby is cricket, playing cricket with my friends. And my future goal is to go abroad for study.
So, do you like to are you living in a house or in an apartment?
I live in a house because my family is joint family. Then I prefer to live in home then rather than apartment because I choose a home. First is a combined system, and we enjoy a lot with my friends and my cousins, like movies, watch movie in the weekends, and playing cricket together. I think to live in home, and also my for study, group study. Then I prefer home.
Okay, do you like any other sports besides cricket?
Yes, of course. Football is my favorite sport after cricket. I play Friday because in Pakistan majority of student is free at Friday. Then football is I play football with my friends and cousins. But other my hobby is playing Ludo with my cousins and friends at home at free of time.
Okay, so what kinds of transportation modes do you prefer?
Uh,
Do you own a car?
I no not I have not my car. I have only bicycle and one bicycle and a cycle. But I in school I prefer cycling with my friends. But after graduation, I I have my own bicycle to go university. But that time in Pakistan, the fuel is very costly. Then I prefer to go with metro. It is very beneficial for me because the cost of metro is less than 50 rupees, 25. It is beneficial for me as a student.
Okay, okay, very well. So now I'm going to give you a topic and you have 1 minute to prepare for that. You can make notes if you want
Okay, ma'am.
on that paper and you have 2 minutes to speak on it. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
so your topic is describe a piece of electronic equipment that you find useful. Are you ready to speak?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So describe a piece of electronic equipment that you find useful.
I prefer the electronics equipment like oven. It is very beneficial for me, and because I go to abroad and in my home, sometimes no everyone available in my home to cook for something for me. Then I have learned from how to cook pizza like other dishes and like pieces. And first of all, I have not prepared how to on of how to operate. Then I watch a video in YouTube. Then it is beneficial for me to how to learn how to cooking. It is very beneficial for me because I pursue my master in outside the country like Germany, and and do not enough time to cook myself. Then it is a oven is very beneficial for me to cook in like sometime I cook like in short time. Do not everyone to cook for me, then it is important for me to own my oven with me as a electronic equipment. And in my house it is majority used by my mother, and I also learned from how to use it. And we use it from last 10 years.
Okay, very well. So let's talk about the infrastructure of the different edifices, different buildings, as you told me that you're a civil engineer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, how the infrastructure of buildings has changed since the past few years?
uh, First of all, I give some example like Damdama Killa from Killa. After 10 year ago, the building is destroyed, and do not in Pakistan majority of construction company do not proper work like soil testing is not maintain soil testing perform in that area, and it is also it is a main component to damage this building. But at the recent modern time, German technology like AI and I explain some software, Primavera, E-Test, AutoCAD, and it is important for to construct building according to advanced level. And that time I see Pakistan government of Pakistan adopt this technology to maintain our historical buildings like Damdama. And last 1 day ago, I celebrate New Year in Damdama. I look very beautiful because government of Pakistan pay attention to save our historical building, and use there to to destroy.
Okay. So, what are some kind of strategies that the government should implement in order to create better infrastructure of buildings?
First step for government is survey. Most important thing is survey. First prefer to survey that building, then soil test is applied. Many times we see in flooding, most of our building is collapsed due to no proper working, no proper fund, and do not show interest and say building. Then apply modern softwares like Primavera. It is a mm, most important and advanced software we use over the world, and it is beneficial for us
Okay.
to save our historical buildings.
Do you think that the ancient infrastructure or architecture was better than the modern one, and how?
Mm, I in Asian majority of structure like Taj Mahal, Bashar Masjid is antique. cannot construct that time. But as a advanced or modern area, most of country show their interest to adopt advanced technology from foreign country to but in for my perspective, I prefer the Asian historical building is most important.
Okay. 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 That's it very well. Thank you.